Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi back with a new video. So today's topic is all about off-roading in our village area. See, in town people go for off-roading as a passion, as a time pass. But here it's our day-to-day life, guys. We have to go through these roads every day, every morning, every evening. I mean, to reach our homes, to go to the town, and you know, it's our day-to-day life over here. So coming to the point, this is my 1969 CJ3B. Yeah, it's not in its original state how it was. I mean, it was modified by my dad in the 1990s. I mean, in the year of 1991, he modified it according to his taste. So from then, I never thought of changing the shape or changing the looks of my Jeep to its original condition. That's because I have lots of childhood memories with this Jeep. I don't want to lose all those memories. Okay, there are so many memories associated with it. So coming to the point, it's a original CJ3B Mahindra Jeep. It was originally a petrol engine, but in the 90s my dad swapped it with the new DI engine from Mahindra itself. It's mated with the 3-speed gearbox. It has got 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low ratios as well. Okay, and that leads to our town, to the nearest town, and this is the way to my house. Hi, so me and my Jeep. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so it's monsoons over here. Okay, so yeah, so as I said, it's a 3-speed gearbox with 4-wheel high and low ratios. Alright, so let's start. Okay. So some of you guys might be wondering, alright, why is that TATA logo on the bonnet? Okay, see that one. So that logo was actually installed by my dad when he first altered the Jeep. Okay. So as I said, I have lots of childhood memories associated with this Jeep. So I know some hardcore off-roaders, hardcore Mahindra fans, they have suggested me many times, just take off that TATA logo, man. But as I said, I have many childhood memories. Okay. So I'm in second gear now. Third gear is equivalent to top gear of present vehicles. Okay. So this is how the condition of the road over here, as you can see. So I'm in first gear now. And we pretty much live in the Western Ghats. So our plantations are inside, in the edges of the forest. Okay. So in our area we grow arecanut, rubber, and we have banana plantations as well. We have coconut plantation. I mean, I'm not saying about me alone, I'm saying about people who live around here. And we grow cocoa. Cocoa, guys, you might be eating hundreds of chocolate every day, but you know, the raw material is grown in my place. We grow cocoa as well. Maybe in the coming days, I think I'll make a video vlog on plantations, crops, what we grow here. See, we are actually lucky enough that we live in between this lush green environment. I mean, we have fresh air. And clean environment. There is no pollution. I mean, it's really a heaven, guys. It's really heaven. But only thing what bothers us is, see, the road convenience. See, as you can see in the video, I mean, we don't have proper roads over here. Some patches, the government has put concrete to some patches where, in rainy season, where the vehicle live, even the 4x4 couldn't go there. So there, after thousands of requests to the government officials, they agreed to put some, they agreed to build little bit of concrete roads in some places, but here we have only mud roads, no concrete road. There's a house and there's a house. Yeah, and during night time at around after 11:30, it's quite dangerous to travel in these roads. Sometimes we have elephant sightings. But yeah, until now we haven't faced any problem due to wild animals. Oh man. Okay. So as I said, my Jeep has got 3 gears. So the top speed what it gives me, it goes up to 70 kilometers. For what much I can ask, what more can I ask from a 1969 Jeep, guys? That too with the original gearbox. Alright, I think I'll stop recording now. I'm almost near to my house. Okay. So, yep, I'm near my house now. So guys, I hope you liked my video. I hope you have gotten clear-cut image of our village life and clear-cut image of how people actually live in rural India. So still these roads, this goes to nearby village and to my plantation and some other places. See, these are all plantations in my place, and I can show you one pond over here. Okay, so it's a pretty nice place. I hope you like my video. So if you like, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please give me your feedbacks in the comment box. That's it. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye.